Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our today's lecture is solving system of linear equations. In this lecture we will learn how to solve the different system of linear equations. This lecture has been divided in two parts, A and B. The part A consists of solving the linear equations by following three methods: by elimination method, by substitution method, and by graphical method. And the second part consists of solving the linear equations by following methods: number 1 by Cramer's rule, number 2 by Gauss-Jordan method. Now we are going to start part A, solution of system of linear equations by elimination method. In this we have to consider three different cases. Number 1 is exactly one solution. In this we will get the value of x and y variable from the given equation, since we are considering two variable equations. Number 2, many solutions. Many solutions in which we get the result as 0 is equal to 0. This case will be more clear when we solve by using the graphical method why it is 0 is equal to 0. But here we have only considered 0 is equal to 0 as an answer, which will be the many solutions. And number 3 is no solution. No solution. In this we cannot solve the given system of linear equation, hence we get no solution, and the result will be of the form 0 is equal to k, where k is any integral value. So these are the three results which will be obtained when we solve the given set of equation. But one thing very important, that while solving the system of linear equations, our target will be for exactly one solution. Now we consider an example. Two x plus y is equal to 3 and 3x plus y is equal to 4. Now we are going to solve these two equations. Solution: 2x plus y is equal to 3 and 3x plus y is equal to 4. We mark these two equations as 1 and mark as 2. Now since we are using the elimination method, so we have to eliminate either x or y from the given set of equations. Now if we see equation number 1, if we multiply 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2, we can very easily eliminate x. Or if we see the simple equation y variable, and this is the y variable, if we subtract it, we will simply eliminate the variable y from this. So the best option is that we first eliminate y from this equation by subtracting it and then solving for x. So we are going to subtract this equation. We will get this y and y is cancelled, and answer is minus x is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to plus 1. So this is the value of 1. This also shows that we are going for exactly one solution. Now put x is equal to plus 1 in any of the two equations, either 1 or either 2 equation. So for the simplicity we can use equation number 1. So 2x plus y is equal to 3. 2 1 plus y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3 minus 2, so y is equal to plus 1. So this shows that we have exactly one solution, since we get the values of x and y. So we have exactly one solution. So xy is equal to 1 comma 1. This is our answer. Now we can also verify this, that putting these values in equation 1 and 2 one by one and see what is the answer. So verify 2 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So 3 is equal to 3. So equation 1 verified. Equation number 2, 3 1 plus 1 is equal to 4. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So 4 is equal to 4. Hence both the equations are verified. So 1 and 1 is the answer. Hence there is exactly one solution for the given set of linear equation. Now we take another example to solve the linear equation to find out the solution. We have an example: 2x plus 4y is equal to 8 and x plus 2y is equal to 4. Now these are two equations in two variables and we have to find out the solution for these equations. Now if we see equation number 1 and equation number 2, multiply by 2, we can get exactly the same equation as that of 1. So we multiply equation 2 and subtract the given equation. 2x plus 4y is equal to 8 and 2x plus 4y is equal to 8. Now we subtract. We see that all the equations are cancelled. So we get the result 0 is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 0. Now in the criteria set, when 0 is equal to 0, we have many solutions. So the answer of this equation is many solution. So we have solved this equation. Now we take another example, that is 4x plus 3y is equal to 8 and 4 over 3x plus y is equal to 2. Now we have to solve so that we can find out the solution of the given equation. This is equation number 1 and this is your equation number 2. Now if we multiply equation 2 by 3, we can get the equation like 1. So it will be very easy to solve. Therefore we multiply equation 2 by 3 on both sides. We get 4x plus 3y is equal to 6, and we can mark it as equation number 3. Now we will solve 1 and 3 simultaneously. 4x plus 3y is equal to 8, and 4x plus 3y is equal to 6. Now in order to eliminate the variables, we can easily subtract both the equations. So we subtract, and we see that 4x 3y are cancelled, so we get the answer here 0 is equal to, when we subtract 8 from 6, we get 2. We have not obtained any value of x or y, so we say that no solution, and it satisfies the condition which is 0 is equal to k, where k is any integer value. So this is the topic of solving the simultaneous linear equations by elimination method. Now next topic is the solution of the linear equations by substitution method. In this method we put one equation in the other and solve for the unknown variables. So consider an example as 2x plus y is equal to 3 and 3x plus y is equal to 4. We can mark 1 and 2 for our convenience. So first equation can be written as y is equal to minus 2x plus 3, which is the slope intercept form of the equation and which is the most easiest way to solve the equation. Now put this equation, which we have marked as equation number 3, in equation number 2. So put equation 3 in 2, we get 3x plus minus 2x plus 3 is equal to 4. So 3x minus 2x plus 3 is equal to 4. Rearranging the variables and the constants, we get x is equal to 4 minus 3, so x is equal to plus 1, which is the value of x. Now put this value of x in equation number 3 and we will get the value of y. Now put the value of x in equation 3. Put x is equal to 1 in equation 3 to get the value of y. So y is equal to minus 2 plus 3, minus 2 plus 3 is equal to again plus 1. So y is equal to plus 1. From this we see that we have get the value of the coordinates x and y, that is 1 and 1, which means we have exactly one solution. Since we got the value of x and y, so we have exactly one solution. So xy is equal to 1 1, which is our answer. Now we take another example. 4x plus 3y is equal to 8 and 4x by 3 plus y is equal to 2. Mark it equation 1 and mark it equation number 2. Now equation 2 will be written in slope intercept form as y is equal to minus 4x over 3 plus 2, and mark this equation as 3 and put equation 3 in 1. Put equation 3 in 1 and simplify. So 4x plus 3 minus 4x over 3 plus 2 is equal to 8. 4x minus 12x over 3 plus 6 is equal to 8. 4x minus 4x is equal to 8 minus 6. This term is cancelled and this term is cancelled. 0 is equal to 2. Now 0 is equal to 2 shows no solution, as the case 0 is equal to k. This is the answer for this question. Now we take another example, one more example. 2x plus 4y is equal to 8 and x plus 2y is equal to 4. Again mark it equation number 1 and equation number 2. Solving the equation number 2, y is equal to minus x plus 4. So y is equal to 1 over 2 minus x plus 4 minus x over 2 plus 4 over 2. So y is equal to minus x over 2 plus 2, and this represents the slope intercept form of the equation, and we are going to take as equation number 3. Now put this equation number 3 in equation number 2. We get 2x plus 4 minus x over 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. So 2x minus 4x over 2 plus 8 is equal to 8. Simplifying, we get 2x minus 2x is equal to 8 minus 8. So cancelling this term, this term, this term and this term, we get 0 is equal to 0. Now as discussed earlier, the 0 is equal to 0 form shows many solutions. So this is the answer. Now I have taken 3 different questions in which we have obtained solution, no solution and many solution. Now whenever you use the substitution method or elimination method, the answer will be same. With this we complete our today's lecture. For any query you can ask me on my email and on my WhatsApp number. Do please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can receive further updates.